What happens in the General Assembly in New York? Have you ever wondered what really goes on during the United Nations General Assembly in New York? This annual event is a major gathering that takes place at the United Nations headquarters, located in the heart of New York City. Every year, all 193 member states come together to discuss pressing global issues. The General Assembly kicks off each year on the third Tuesday of September and runs until the following September. This session is split into two parts. The first part is the main session, which lasts from the opening until mid-December. The second part resumes in January and continues until the new session begins. One of the most exciting moments of the General Assembly is the general debate. This debate lasts about 9 working days and occurs shortly after the session opens. During this time, heads of state and government officials take the stage to share their country's priorities and concerns. It is a unique opportunity for leaders to address a global audience and discuss important topics like peace, security, and human rights. In addition to the general debate, there are numerous high-level meetings, summits, and informal events that take place. These gatherings allow for further discussion on various themes and issues that affect the world. The General Assembly is not just about speeches. It is also where resolutions are adopted, recommendations are made, and policies are set on a wide range of international matters. While the decisions made during the General Assembly are not legally binding like those from the Security Council, they hold significant political weight. They reflected the collective will of the international community and can influence global action. For New York City, hosting the General Assembly is a big deal. It brings international attention and diplomatic activity to the city. In preparation for this event, security measures are heightened. You will see visible patrols and behind-the-scenes monitoring to ensure the safety of all attendees. The General Assembly also boosts the local economy. Hotels, transportation services, and various businesses benefit from the influx of visitors during this time. Visitors to New York City can also take part in educational tours of the United Nations headquarters. These tours provide a chance to learn about the UN's mission and its global work. This makes the United Nations a landmark attraction in the state of New York, reinforcing the city's role as a center for international diplomacy. In summary, the United Nations General Assembly in New York is a vibrant event where world leaders gather to address global challenges and conduct diplomatic dialogue. It is an essential part of international relations and a fascinating aspect of New York City exploration.